To use Google Maps offline, start by opening the Google Maps app on your device. Make sure you have a stable internet connection before attempting to download maps for offline use. First, search for the area you want to download, such as a city or a region. Then, tap the name of the area at the bottom of the screen to open the information box. Next, tap the download button, and Google Maps will begin downloading the map data for that area. Once the download is complete, you can use Google Maps offline by searching for locations within the downloaded area. You can also get directions and view street maps, even without an internet connection. However, keep in mind that some features, such as real-time traffic updates in Street View, will not be available offline. To manage your offline maps, go to the Google Maps menu and select Offline Maps. From here, you can view all of your downloaded maps, update them, or delete them to free up space on your device. It is a good idea to periodically update your offline maps to ensure you have the most up-to-date information when using Google Maps offline. It is also important to note that your device's GPS must be enabled to get turn-by-turn directions and accurate location information. Additionally, the size of the area you download will affect the amount of space used on your device. So it is a good idea to only download the areas you need. By following these steps and tips, you can effectively use Google Maps offline, making it a valuable tool for navigating unfamiliar areas or traveling to places with limited internet connectivity.